Hi guys, just a continuation of where I left off things in last video. I'm currently looking at the German DAX Germany 30 stock index, and again regarding targets and going into a trade, I just wanted to elaborate a bit more and maybe show you another instrument. And first, the previous video was about an FX pair, and now it's about a CFD based on a future. So if we take as an example this potential short trade here, which I walk you through in one of the previous videos. So basically, you have this supply area here on the top of the chart, and then you have this inside bar, which is the trigger for a short trade. Then where will you actually start looking for taking money off the table? Just think about it for 1 second. So basically, you have this opportunity to actually take your profits on the next potential support level when you're short. And looking at this chart, the next level is just here between the open and the low of this pin bar candle. And basically, if you shorted the DAX here, then you have a good how many, like maybe around 700-800 pips until the price reaches here. But then what is really important, again, as I said in the previous video, you should always be looking at price action. And here there is not really a reason to take money off the table, guys, because you have like this red candle which goes through this support range. And then what I've been trying to actually pinpoint on the next trading session will be possibly a pin bar similar to this one here that could actually have hinted on of price reversal, but that didn't really happen. So we had this red candle here, and then you had a very big green candle, but then it was followed by an inside bar again, which signals more bearish bias. And as you can see, next candle was red again. Then you had a pin bar, and then you had a consolidation area, but then you had this supply zone here, which is marked just after the green candle. And usually what traders will be looking for, and according to my system, it will be a great short entry if the price goes above this level and shows you a bearish signal. In this case, it didn't really, it just went to the middle of the range, which is still a valid entry, and printed a bearish engulfing pattern. I wouldn't have taken this one, but then you had lots of sellers that actually took advantage of it and pushed the price slightly lower. But then you had a bit of a range trading, and then demand area here, and I'll just mark it out for you guys. So having said that, you had plenty of opportunities to actually take money off the table. And then this level here also gives you an opportunity to go long, because as you can see, the price goes down to this demand area marked by the low and the high of this pin bar. And I wouldn't have taken it again because it's slightly against the rules of my trading strategy. I would have ideally liked to see the price closing below this level. But having said that, possibly you could have re-entered on a breakout here when price is actually retesting this support level, which is a next resistance turned into a support level. But anyways, that's not the point of this video. The point was just to show you where you could potentially take your profits. And the easiest way, guys, is just to start looking at the closest support and resistance area and start digging from there. So here you have this level of 11,500 and as a resistance level, and then you have the level of 10,300 as a support level. And these are actually quite important levels. So let's see what the price will bring us in the next few trading sessions. But again, depending on which side of the trade you are, if you're long here or short here, then you're pretty much in the middle of the range. So yeah, it's going to another potential instrument, the pound dollar. You can see that I mentioned in my one of my previous videos again that we have a demand area here, pretty much just below where the current price is located on the chart, and I'll be looking for possibly a bullish pattern, a bullish candlestick pattern. If such doesn't occur, then most likely the price will continue dropping to the next supply, to the next demand area, and until the market participants don't make up their minds, then we won't see much action. Also, don't forget that we are just another 43 days before the final Brexit outcome, so we need to be quite patient with this pair particularly, and possibly avoid trading it as well until we have a bit more certainty.